I just had Shanti kick my ass again. And this workout's dedicated to all my girls. Let me tell you, I know it's not easy. It is so much easier doing a workout in a room full of people hooting and hollering. Don't get me wrong. I know that it's hard when you're on your own and you're sitting in a room all by yourself and you're trying to get through the workout, but just know we're all behind you. I'm behind you. I'm in that room with you. I'm working out. Tonight, I did this workout, and it was hard. And, you know, I went 21 days without working. I've worked out the last 3 nights, or 3 days, 3 mornings, usually morning. I like doing the morning, but I slept through my alarm, and I didn't get up this morning. So, by golly, I got my workout in tonight, and it was for you all. It was because I'm pushing you guys. I'm expecting you guys to do your best, so I need to do that. So tonight, I was pushing this workout, and I pushed hard. And I know the camera's not holding still because I'm shaking because I busted my ass tonight, and it was all for you girls. So just know when you're working out, I'm right there beside you. I'm pushing you. I'm with you, and I'm getting you through it. So just get it done, and you're going to feel so much better for doing so. So I feel great, other than I'm just yucky and need a shower, but I'm glad it's done, and I got through it. So hope everybody has a wonderful evening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.